Assalamu alaikum students. 8th and 9th class, I am Awais Ahmed Shakir from Maryland High School. Students, today we discuss about the conversion of the computer system binary into octal and octal into binary. These two systems are included in our course, in which in the previous books 4 systems are also included in our curriculum 9th class, but in the new, according to the new curriculum, only 2 systems are included: binary system, binary number system, and octal number system. Binary number system and octal number system I also discussed in the previous lectures, in which binary number system as base 2 and consists of the 2 digits 0 and 1, and octal number system is base 8. Octal number system is base 8. They consist of 8 digits 0 to 7. It means today we convert binary number system into the octal, binary into the octal, and octal into the binary. Octal into the binary. Let's suppose as example 14 base 8 represented the 14 is a number of octal system. 14 is a number of octal system. When we convert into the binary system, we apply the expanding method. When octal number system convert into the binary system, then we use the factorization method. It means 14 divided by 2, 2 7s are 14, remaining term is 0, 2 3s are, remaining term is 1, 2 1s are, remaining term is 1. When we write the in binary 1 1 1 and 0, these 4 digits showing the binary number of 14 octal number system. When we convert the binary number system into the octal, then we use the technique about the expanding method. It means when we convert the binary system into the octal, then we applying the technique 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2. This is the 14 binary number system of, this is a binary expanding method of the binary number system converted into the octal. Now write the power at the right side: 0 1 2 3. Now solve the power. 1 multiplied 2 raised power 3 is equal to 8 plus 1 multiplied 2 raised power 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 raised power 1 is equal to 2 plus 0 multiplied 2 raised power 0 is equal to 1. We can say that the power of 0 of anything, it means power of 100, the power of 100 is 0, this term is equal to 1. We can say that when the power of any number is 0, which is equal to 1. Now solve this. 8 1s are 8 plus 4 1s are 4 plus 2 1s are 2 plus 0 1s are 0. Add the 4 terms. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 0. This is the convert into the octal number system. It means when we adopt the factorization method, it convert into the binary digits. When this binary is applying the expanding method, this convert into the octal number system. Thanks.